नहीं बनाना अभी
बनाना है।
तो इस तरह कर रहा है।
इस तरह करें। Yes, please. So guys, oh hello. You know that I am very busy man, and you are lazy man. So guys, you know that I am going to ask few questions. My question is very simple, but first thing, let me clear you that. Okay, why are you getting bored?
No.
I think that. So guys, my first question is that. Can you tell me about your English communication at the beginning or right now? And how have you improved your English communication? So who wants to give answer first? Please. Who has dare? Please, Bharti. Yes, give answer. Yes, you can. Yes.
देखिए रे
Bharti is. Yes, please give answer. What? Can you tell me about your English communication at the beginning or right now? Yes, please. Speak louder and with a confidence because you are very good English speaker of SKPS coach.
Yes, when I didn't
By
join-
looking camera and your friends, but first greet them.
Okay, hello everyone, a very good evening.
Good evening.
So I'm going to put some points about my English communication at the beginning
And right now.
and right now. So when I didn't join this coaching, that time I didn't know so many things. And after joining this coaching, I knew so many things, a lot of things like models, conditional sentences, verbs, tenses, indirect, direct, passive and active sentences, how to introduce yourself in English, how to ask a question, how to describe a things, what is surrounding you, and that's all about I know now. And
Yes, you are speaking very well. Continue.
If you want to become a good English speaker, then you have to do a lot of things. You have to practice again and again, and you have to learn whatever your teacher taught you. And what your teacher taught you, you have to learn again and again. And
You have to practice again and again.
yes, you have to practice again and again, and you have to try to talk with stranger in English, and try to speak in front of unknown peoples, and talk with your siblings at home,
And think in English.
and think in English. That's all about you have to do if you want to become a good English speaker. That's all about.
Okay, so what do you think about a consistency? Yes, please reply. Yes, Raj. What do you think about consistency? One driver can't become a good driver without a consistency. One swimmer can't become a good swimmer without a consistency. And you also can't drive a motorcycle without a consistency. You are getting my points. You can ride a bicycle
Yeah.
in a one day? No, because everything demands consistency. Without consistency, you can't do and you can't become master. So if you want to speak in English, you have to do practice daily and daily. And if you do practice daily and daily, it means you are consistent. One day you practice, another day you don't do practice, you can't become a good English speaker. Okay, so can you give example? Me and my student, it has been 1 month since I recorded first video, last video. What do you think, Angel? We lost our confidence?
Yes.
Yes.
properly.
Yeah. So consistency is very important.
Yes.
Because we are not native English speaker, we are Indian. We think in Hindi, okay, but I have to speak in English, so it is not possible. Yes, so you have to speak in front of public, in front of your sister, in front of your family. When you get time. Yes, please give answer. Try. Whatever you want to say, you can. Don't think about making mistake because making mistake is a part of your journey. Please. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
I want to say that how to improve your English conversation. Uh,
How to improve your English communication?
how to improve your English conversation.
Communication.
Communication.
Yes. How to improve your English communication?
How to improve your English communication.
Yes.
I was saying something.
Think.
जैसे में क्या like
Vocabulary, grammar, practice, and consistency. Okay, these all things are very important to improve your English communication. Speaking, writing, reading. Yes. Yes. Yes, speak. I think by sitting it is very difficult. You don't get confidence. Yes, please.
we know that our generation is going on.
Yes, yes, try.
हमारा लाइक क्या हम लोग का जो जनरेशन है इंग्लिश की ओर जाते जा रहा है
Yes, my generation is going towards English communication.
our generation is going to
Towards.
towards English conversation.
Yes.
We नहीं हो सकता.
But you can, sir.
We can see that if you go other side like if you go other state.
But what was the question?